Hey guys, so I'm back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about Verizon's prepaid new unlimited plan and also a loyalty program that they have going on. I know I kind of talked about the loyalty program a while back, but in this video, we're actually checking Verizon's website to actually show you how it works, how the discount works, and the new plan that they have. So we'll go ahead and check it out. This is Verizon's website. Of course, this is prepaid. So let me show you guys. They have this little really neat kind of tracker thing, and it'll show you how much savings you'll get on this side. So it says your monthly savings will increase the longer you stay with Verizon. So this is for prepaid, not postpaid. So Verizon is pretty smart at doing this. They want to keep you a loyal customer, and it's saying, hey, if you're with us for the long run, we'll give you a discount. So remember, if you do auto pay, it'll save you an additional $5 a month, and that will show here in the discount. So and that starts on the second month. So if you don't do auto pay, just know it's $5 less than what it's showing you. But let's go ahead and check it out. This is the new plan that they have, the unlimited $75 plan. This now includes the 5G ultra wideband. So that's the very fast internet. It's not the low band. This is ultra wideband. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be very limited to certain areas, and of course, this is the fast internet. But like I said, it's very limited of small pockets of area that you'll get this. But I think this is pretty smart, Verizon. This is kind of taking a little page out of the book from Boost Mobile, since I remember they were kind of the first carrier to do a loyalty program where every month, and they still kind of brought it back, but it started like $60 a month, and after you're with them for, what was it, probably, I don't even remember, 9+ months or something like that, you got, you could get the bill all the way down to like $35 or something like that. But let's go ahead and talk about this and talk about the new plan and of course how the savings work. So strap down, guys, we'll go ahead and check it out. So of course everybody knows Verizon, and they're the best coverage out here in the United States. But before we continue, guys, let's go ahead and talk to you guys about our two supporters. And that's going to be, the first one is going to be Honey. Honey's a free web browser extension that'll find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Verizon, Boost Mobile, Cricket, Metro, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. All that will be in the description below. If you want to find coupons on websites, guys, any website, use Honey, download it. When you save some money, I will get a small commission. And the second, if you want to make some real money and join the stock market, you can by joining my Robinhood app. That will get you a free stock. It'll give me a free stock. Will be in the description below. So time to make some money. So. Alright, guys, so like I said, here's the 4 plans. You'll get 5 gigabytes for $40. This includes 5G nationwide. That, of course, like I said, that's the nationwide coverage. The ultra wideband is only available at the $75 price point. But like I said, nobody really cares unless you're in an ultra wideband area. So that's pretty cool. But let's just go without savings. So $40 a month will get you 5 gigabytes of data, which it's reasonable. I think 5 gigs if you have Wi-Fi, and I think that could be okay. Like I would be right on the border of that probably. Now for $50 a month, you get 15 gigabytes. That's more my kind of area. It says get more data for online streaming, posting, and social and sharing with family. So the $40 5 gig plan, of course, includes 5G nationwide, includes mobile hotspot. The $50 plan with 15 gigabytes includes 5G nationwide, of course, includes mobile hotspot, includes talk to Mexico and Canada. So wow. So if you have relatives in Mexico or in Canada, if you want to talk to them, you would get that plan. Now, check this out. For $65 a month, guys. Yeah, I know it's starting a little pricey. You do get unlimited data. It says get the freedom of unlimited talk, text, and data without any overage charges. So of course, this right here, you do get 5G nationwide with Verizon. You have to have a 5G compatible device, of course. Add a mobile hotspot for $5 a month. So this plan doesn't include mobile hotspot for just $5 more, for $70 basically. You can get mobile hotspot. Include talk and text and data to and from Mexico. So with this plan, if you travel to Mexico, you can actually go there. So let's actually see on the limited plan. Like I said, let's see what you really do get for unlimited. It says, of course, the loyalty discount. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Of course, $5 a month discount. 5G nationwide coverage is what I was talking about earlier. So here's the mobile hotspot for $5 more, guys. It says includes 10 gigabytes of 5G nationwide / 4G LTE, and then it basically crawls. It crawls at 600 kilobits per second for the remainder of the month. So for $5 more a month, like I said, it'll be $70. You'll get 10 gigs of mobile hotspot. After that, it's basically unusable. Now, of course, this is unlimited calling. So it says enjoy unlimited calling with the U.S. and to Mexico, Canada, Puerto Rico, Guam, Northern Mariana Islands, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. Of course, unlimited texting, coverage while traveling outside of the U.S. So it says unlimited calls, text, and data from Mexico, Canada, Puerto Rico, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. So wow. So if you travel outside the United States, you will get some access. Now, another thing here, it says the data speeds you will get. Basically, you can only stream up to 480p videos, guys. No HD with this unlimited data. And times and congestions, your speeds will be temporarily slowed. So just know, a lot of people use Verizon, so it's going to be a lot of times. I remember I tried this plan before. Here in my area, everybody uses basically Verizon, so it's going to be a bumpy ride with data when you're not on Wi-Fi. But, you know, when you're traveling or something, it's going to be nice to kind of have. Now, the big boy right here, which is a new one, this says unlimited, which, like says in black, says includes 5G ultra wideband. Experience the unprecedented speed and performance of unlimited 5G ultra wideband. $75 a month before any savings, of course. Includes 5G nationwide. Includes unlimited 5G ultra wideband mobile hotspot. Wow, it'd be nice, but like I said, it's very small percentage of the U.S. that even has that. So, now I believe this, it says unlimited, but I believe it also includes only 10 gigs of high speed. After that, it pumps up brakes. So here it is. Here's more info on it. Of course, there's the mobile hotspot that I was talking about, and same thing. The data, you only get 40p streaming, and same thing. Times of congestions, you will get slower data. The mobile hotspot, it's even though it says unlimited, same thing. You only get 10 gigabytes of fast 5G internet, guys. That's pretty with 5G, you're probably gonna blow through that in no time. And of course, here's like it's saying it's only available in certain cities. Now, for the 5G ultra wideband mobile hotspot, it includes unlimited 5G ultra wideband mobile hotspot when in a 5G ultra wideband location, which means your smartphone becomes an ultra fast and reliable Wi-Fi connection. But then here it says you only get 10 gigabytes basically. So but that's like the main kind of thing with that. Now let's look at this savings calculator. So for 1 to 3 months, you're not going to get anything. The only thing you'll get will be the $5 a month auto pay. Now, once you jump to the 4th and 9th month, you'll get an additional $5 off. So with auto pay, that's $10 off your bill. So as you can see, it's dropping down here. So first it'll drop down. Let's say we go on the limited, it'll drop down to 60, drop down to 55, and then after almost a year, you're gonna get it down, guys, to $50 a month, and that's a savings of $15 a month, which is pretty nice. I actually do like that. Like I said, yeah, Verizon does have the best network out there compared to any carrier. And I mean, the cheapest 5G phone that you'll probably be able to get is going to be the TCL 10. As you can see, here it is. How much is, wow, it has 1 star. Phone's $400. That's crazy. It has 1 star. Wow, actually, Verizon's prepaid phones are rated pretty horrible, actually. Wow. That's not good. So maybe if you have a 5G device and you bring it over, it'll probably be better, but doesn't look like many people like this phone, at least. Well, now it says 0 reviews, so I don't know what's up with that, but who knows. I might go ahead and get this phone, just try it out. It looks pretty decent. But, you know, I kind of use iPhone now, so might have to stick with that. But let me know in the comments below what you think about this new unlimited plan that gives you access to the 5G ultra wideband with unlimited data, of course. And what do you think? Is this a good deal for you? And what do you think about that loyalty program? I think it's kind of cool, actually. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe for a lot more videos to come your way. And let me know what carrier you use, and if you would want to try maybe Verizon and something else. Like I said, I might have to try them out. Like I said, I don't get the ultra wide here in my area, so we'll see how that goes.